राज्य में लघु खनिजरू राजस्व हानि होईछि 2022 मार्च सुधा 864 लक्ष 45 कोटी टंकार खनि लघुज राजस्व हानि होइथिबा सीएजी रिपोर्ट रु स्पष्ट होईछि 2022 मार्च रे समाप्त वर्ष पई सीएजी रिपोर्ट प्रकाश पाइछि ठिकादार को बिल ठारू अन्य देय बिना रॉयल्टी पई प्राधिकृत संस्थारू लघु खनिज क्रय ट्रांजिट पास न देबारू एही राजस्व हानि होइथिबा सीएजी अतुल प्रकाश कहिसंती। सेपरि 2023-24 आर्थिक वर्ष पई राज्यर आर्थिक स्थिति नै मध्य सीएजी रिपोर्ट प्रकाश पाइछि 2019-20 आर्थिक वर्ष रे राज्यर मोट घरोई उत्पाद 5,37,502 कोटी टंकारु 12.26% वृद्धि पाई 2023-24 आर्थिक वर्ष रे 8,53,524 कोटी टंकारे पहुंचिछि 2022-23 आर्थिक वर्ष रे डीएसडीपी रे 12.37% अभिवृद्धि घटिथिला।
The state recorded revenue surplus of rupees 30,761 crore and fiscal deficit of 14.743 crore during financial year 23-24. The revenue surplus increased from 19,456 crore to 30,760 crore, resting 58.11 increase over financial year 2022-23. While fiscal deficit decreased by 3.13% from 15,005 to 19 crore in 2023 to 14,743 crore in financial 2024. Quarrying operations in district level committee forest land were allowed without prior approval of the central government, and there was none realization of rupees 51.69 crore towards the price of 4.77 lakh cubic meter minor minerals quarried without lawful authority. This is para 3.3.2. Then in para 3.3.5, the quarrying of minerals by lessee in excess of approved mining plan and non-verification of Y forms, which is called transit pass, by the Tahsildars resulted in the unlawful production of the stone of 80,721.40 cubic meter, for which the lessees were liable to pay rupees 33.50 crore, being in the price of the mineral. Now, the excess quantity extracted in the Dhankari block stone quarry under Dhamsala Tehsil could not be reassessed, and fresh orders could not be passed despite the High Court, Honorable High Court orders were there, which resulted in the non-recovery of mineral revenue. Non-adoption of system of taking measurements of sources before commencement of quarrying and after closure of the lease periods resulted in the theft of the 8.50 lakh cubic meter of black stone and loss of mineral revenue of 98.30 crore. This is given in the para 3.3.1.11. Then incorporation of provisions in the Odisha minor mineral creation rules 2016 for deductions of royalty without other charges from the bills of contractors in the event of non-production of transit pass in support of procurement of minor minerals from authorized sources agencies, resulting in leakage of mineral revenue of rupees 864.45 crore. This is given para 3.5. Audit also observed non-adoption of satellite-based monitoring of mining activities through the Odisha Space Application Center, tardy implementation of scheme of prevention of theft of minor minerals and eviction activities, and weak and ineffective inspection and monitoring mechanism for preventing illegal quarrying and theft of minor minerals in the state.